Hi everybody, this is Addy, the country boy, and this is the first podcast that we are trying. Our podcast is known as Mas Garima, which I believe is a pretty catchy,
Uh-huh.
you know,
Country boy, bro.
country boy. So yes, hi everybody. We have with us my dear brother Chanan.
Hey.
Hamisita hununcha.
Hi.
And he's a very dear friend of mine. We are starting it off as a trial, so I wanted to invite him, just chat with him, because he is a pretty interesting fellow in my perspective. I feel like that, and I believe others who will watch this video right now will be able to gratify that as well.
Bro,
So,
thank you for the compliments, bro. Thank you for the compliments. Bro.
You're welcome, man. What we are gonna be talking about today is basically just normal life,
Every day. Day in, day out.
day in day out, and our main focus is gonna be towards people of our generation,
Yeah.
and the reason why I invited him here is because he's somebody who is doing something uh, in person. Actually, yeah, we are trying to do something, but he's working. He's somebody who knows the real world, knows what the fuck is happening.
Yeah.
So I mean, we're gonna let people know what it is like, and मान्छेलाई थाहा होला, त्यो थाहा भयो भने they can agree to that. So that is our goal. So here we are, Chanan bro.
Yeah, man.
What's up?
Good to be here, bro. Good
yeah,
to
yeah,
be here.
cheers, man.
Yeah, cheers, man.
Cheers.
It's so nice to be here.
Yeah, welcome to
So-
Bas Garima.
Bas Garima हुँदैछ गर्दैछ हामीले we are doing shit.
Mm-hmm.
It's going on. This is up in Kalimpong. Let me let you that this is going up in Kalimpong. My brother, from another mother, but still my brother. He's going at it. So let's give all love and support to him. Yeah.
Yeah. Of course. Thank you so much for that.
And very much let me tell you that today is 14th of Feb. It's Valentine's Day. To all the couples, have a good time. And sad for some because today also was a black day, because today the Pulwama attack happened and that was sad. And 40 of our Jawans died.
Were martyred,
That's
I know.
Yeah,
Sacrifice.
sad, man. But
So,
still,
Salute to them.
salute to them always and forever, man, for the country.
Hi.
Yeah.
Since we are on the topic of Valentine's Day, right?
Uh-huh.
अघि भर्खरमा यस्ताकोमा गइरहेको थियो नि त.
Yeah.
So there was this one particular joke that is worthy to be mentioned in this podcast. So shout out to Big Dog is
Big
the
dog,
leader.
big dog.
हैन? And it goes like happy as Valentine's Day, हैन?
Yeah.
But happy Valentine's Day. Yeah.
Valentine's Day.
Uh-huh.
For what, man? How is that
So
turning out?
people who celebrate Valentine's Day
Uh-huh.
are the ones who are neither getting the V or the D.
Hey! Okay, I get it, man. That was good, man.
Right.
Uh-huh.
So starting off from 2025, we're celebrating Valentine's Day.
Day. So, yeah, man. The fire got us going. I stripped down.
Fire is going, yeah. So sorry about this. The reason why we're a bit changed up is because there was some technical issues.
Technical
However, we are back.
Yeah.
So अब हाम्रो के थियो भने we were talking about Valentine's Day,
Yeah.
and let's just recap. For us, it's
Valentine's
Valentine's A.
Day.
It's because
Uh-huh.
we're neither getting the V
V
or the D. I know.
Uh-huh.
But going past that,
Uh-huh.
on a more of a serious note for now, then we'll relax a bit, I think.
Yeah.
I think you go, you are a certified pharmacist,
Yeah, I am.
right?
I am.
And I mean, since we are from Kalimpong, let's talk about Kalimpong, nowhere else.
Sure, man. Sure.
Right? Because we know, I mean, we are from ground zero. We are from Kalimpong, so we
Yeah.
know what the fuck is
Bottom
happening.
up, bro. Bottom
Uh-huh.
up.
So we know what is happening currently, with regards to people younger than us,
Yeah. Yeah.
from
Yeah.
our times, and a
Yeah.
bit older than us, to be more precise, because we are the future generation. That's
yes,
why.
we are. Yes, we
You
are.
know. So, have you had any encounters where तिमीले चाहिँ there's somebody who comes to get a के भन न
Sleeping pill.
sleeping unprescribed drug
Yeah.
or tries to
got
fake it के
Uh-huh.
so त्यस्तो instances
Yeah, multiple times.
Okay.
In a day, bro,
Uh-huh.
in a day. Like multiple times in a day. I feel like they're just faking it. But I can now, like, after somewhat experience, I
Uh-huh.
would say, like, I can see the look in their face, and I can tell them if they're legit or not. Like, okay, someone who's taking it for a longer period of time, those who need it, those who actually require it, I feel like some of the times they don't actually get it
Okay.
because of these kinds of people.
Okay, so people who are exploiting abusing the opportunities that is given to them
Uh-huh.
or whatever is being offered to them, abuse भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ people who really need it are
Don't
being,
actually
yeah,
get it. Yeah, man.
it's a setback for them.
Yeah.
Right?
Other than that, it's all right. If you want to get high, you can get high on like legal things. Why do you want to fuck up your head taking pills and all that of stuff? You get what I'm saying?
Of course. I mean, we're smiling and joking around, but we have seen people who have faced के भन त त्यो एउटा severity level पनि एकदम extreme क्या.
Yeah,
So people
yeah.
who are on and off rehab were
On
not
and
able to.
Cope
There's-
up with the society.
There's no judging, but I mean,
I know, like it's more like एक हुँदैन तिमी त्यस्तो छ भने you cannot change yourself. I can get that. But if it's not right for you, if it's affecting you in a bad way, you should at least try.
try. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is something that.
कतिजनाले गर्नै सक्दैन क्या.
Try
Right.
गर्नु पनि सक्दैन है.
Yeah, and they just like, what do you say? Like just go on with it, and one day they're gonna face difficulties.
I mean, I believe that is a point of giving up. Yeah, people
Okay.
give up.
See, nowadays I see people who have been taking these kind of things are like taking it for a long period of time, and now I see them older generation, they kind of facing difficulties to it. Like call it alcoholism. It's legal. Yeah, you can buy it anywhere. You buy it, you get high off of it, and later on you feel like you are getting health issues. That's not right, man.
That's not right at all.
Like weed.
Oh,
Okay, you take it moderately.
okay.
All right, man. Yeah, sometimes once in a blue moon you're like smoking up. It's all right. But on a daily basis, like you're gonna get like short-term memory loss and all that stuff.
Hi.
What good shit, man. We get good shit out here, bro. Shout out Kalimpong.
Shout out Kalimpong, yeah.
Yeah,
On
man.
a serious note, Kalimpong OG भन्यो. Kalimpong OG हुन्छ है.
Yeah, man.
Wow. I mean, yeah, there is a certain percentage of people in this community everywhere, at least today, because I believe a while back, people's perception on how it was a bit more restricted.
Yeah.
We're a bit more अहिले के भन्नु त?
त्यो हुँदैन गान्जा गोटी खायो त्यस्तै भयो.
Uh-huh.
That mentality is still there. We
I
cannot
mean-
change it, but yeah, we can put a better aspect of it out there.
Absolutely. So the problem lies where things start getting abused,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Sleeping pill is
Correct.
for sleeping. People who can't
Yeah.
sleep,
Yeah.
they take it, they go to sleep because of medical reasons.
Medical reason.
Haina. And the same case goes to people who smoke. Haina. But there have been highly scientific studies regarding marijuana. Haina. Where in America and a lot of countries, I mean, marijuana is legal.
Yeah. It
And
is.
I mean, a country wouldn't just let things get legal if there weren't things backing it up
Yeah.
specifically.
Yeah.
I know.
100%, man. 100%.
So I mean, it is a ke bhanau na,
Like, कसो?
it is something
That is there,
that is there. I
but
know.
it can be misused or used in a right way.
Absolutely. Dilemma. That's what.
Yeah.
It's a dilemma, ni to.
Yeah. It's
You
still
know.
a dilemma. It's a topic of a dilemma that's there in the world. That's naturally gone, or you mainly go for whatever reason. So ठीक है sir, आप गर्दै छ.
Hundesa. But I
Still
hope,
happening.
I mean, the pros and the cons of everything has its pros and cons,
Yeah,
right?
100%.
So let's start off with cons. Okay. Yes, if you abuse or if the intake of marijuana increases after a certain level, you stop getting high.
Yeah.
You just you need it for the body
Yeah.
to get sane, normal हुनुको लागि हो नि त. Because that's the truth.
Yeah.
When things start getting abused, त्यो जब sober हुन्छ, sober is not normal.
Sober is not normal.
So you need to get high to get normal.
Mhm.
So
But
when
that
that
is
starts
not.
happening, slowly, like you mentioned, your memory cells loss.
Okay, one more thing.
Mhm.
Like you're only on to marijuana right now.
Mhm,
Let's say like what is the beginning of your whatever you say like nowadays trip.
Trip.
Yeah, you start off tripping out with smokes,
Mhm.
then alcohol, then comes marijuana. Marijuana takes it to a different level.
Alright.
That you feel nice. त्यो तिम्रो इन्ट्रोडक्सन हुन्छ कि ए यस्तो भयो यस्तो ताने दामी भयो नि यु गेट वाट एम सेइङ सो ठिकै छ होइन तर ओके वाट कम्स आफ्टर marijuana देयर इज अ लट अफ थिङ्स देयर इज अ न्युमरस अमाउन्ट अफ थिङ्स
Of course.
एन्ड द्याट्स वेन इट गेट्स आउट अफ ह्यान्ड
Uh-huh.
okay take it on don't take it on a regular basis take it whenever you feel like okay I'm not happy whatever you need a change of mind
We listen, we don't judge type.
yeah we listen we
People
don't
will
judge.
do whatever the fuck they want to do.
yeah do
But
that.
at the end of the day,
if you're all right with it and you're not having any issues then it's all right but
since we live in a society,
Mhm.
I know that's where things kind of get rough.
Yeah.
Because we cannot
100%.
openly about people who do use or abuse drugs, are there. And I don't think there's an immediate way to eradicate that.
I mean, I've heard about this. Okay, let me tell you something.
Uh-huh.
There are a couple of, not a couple, a state in America where they like legalize all kinds of drugs.
Okay.
And the shit that's happening out there, dude. You can see people like on the road just shooting up opium and shit like that. It's gone to shit, bro.
By any
I
chance,
don't
do you
remember.
do you know the name of the state?
Nah, man, I don't remember. But
LA or the, right?
Nah, man. Yeah, I know.
Some smaller
Some smaller state or some like I don't even remember township whatever you say. So they because of too much abuse they legalize it.
Alright.
Go have it. They
Right.
have it on the street. I don't fucking care. But it also helped a lot of people. Like they got off of it.
Yeah, because of the level of
Intake, yeah.
the reason why drugs, I believe, I know, is something that people want to chase after is because there's a thrill to it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, 100%.
Gangster shit, bro, like it's the streets. Yeah, that is there. So when people get too much of that, I believe there comes a point where, they're like, hey, bhayo bhanne pani आउँछ होला. And maybe that's why, like you mentioned, there are people who, really needed that, and
They don't get
the whole situation of that,
That's sad.
those drugs being legalized, was somewhat good thing for them.
Yeah, it was a good thing for them because after a while you were like, no, bro, I've had enough of it. Get what I'm saying? After a while you can't even drink, right?
त्यही त. But you know what? At the end of the day, since we live in this big bad world,
Yeah.
I know. Yes, there are people who, take advantage of that thing, and it helps them.
Yeah.
But on a scale, right? If we weigh people who are profiting, I know, and people who are going into loss because of the drugs, I don't mean materialistically, intangible things, like life. Man. So I think in that scale, the people who are going into loss is more.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
100%. If you're like addicted to something, you're obviously gonna be on a loss. Because what do you need to get those kind of things? Money.
Absolutely.
That's a necessity nowadays.
And everybody doesn't have money.
Yeah.
But I'd heard about this joke getting on top of your hustle. Okay? So
Like
people
what
who do drugs, they don't give up.
Yeah.
I know. They
They don't-
hustle. They make it happen.
Yeah.
I know. So junkies are doing better than some people in this world.
Yeah, 100%, man, 100%. Those who can, like those who have the knack for it, they do it on a daily basis. They don't feel like anything because they're getting the thing out there.
Hi.
That's bro. This world has a numerous amount of things that we don't even know about. Like, yeah, man.
हाँ तो फिर लेट्स स्टार्ट इन हिंदी ब्रो मेरा हिंदी भी
चलो,
प्रैक्टिस करना है
चलो
ओके
भाई।
ठीक है तो ये सब हिंदी बोलने वाला हिंदी समझने वाला
समाज के लिए
समाज वाला था है ना वाले वाला था है ना ग्रामर ब्रो हिंदी बोल्नु त आउँछ हैन फकिङ ग्रामर फक्स इट अप ब्रो
या मैंने त्यो
फेमिनिन र मैस्कुलिन
या स्त्रीलिंग पुल्लिंग
कि बट एनीवेज
होता है।
हाँ वो जो है ये सब किसके लिए है हमारा हिंदी समझने वाले बोलने वाले जनता के लिए है
या
ठीक है ना तो फिर ब्रो हाँ कालिम्पोंग में देयर इज अ नंबर ऑफ देयर इज अ सर्टेन पॉपुलेशन हु स्पीक्स हिंदी
या
ब्यूटीफुल थिंग अबाउट कालिम्पोंग बिकॉज वी
Yeah.
हैव अ वेरी हम लोग का क्या है कि बहुत मिक्स्ड कल्चर्स है ना
या
मिक्स्ड कम्युनिटीज ना
बहुत डाइवर्सिटी
हाँ,
है
bro.
हम लोग के पास जैसे इफ यू सी इन द आर्मी
हाँ
I see a lot of Punjabi people out there.
हाँ
Okay, nice.
ठीक है।
Even their kind of Hindi is different. अलग होता है.
अलग
माने,
होता है ना
हाँ, we are like हाँ भाई साहब, ठीक है भाई साहब.
हाँ
We're like calling you older brother.
हाँ
And then bhai in someone is like near to your age.
हाँ
भाइ you don't get offended by it. भाइ बोलायो भने त हामी नेपालीमा त सानो सुलाई बोल्छ नि त. नभए त दा भन्छ. There's that kind of difference, yeah.
अनि अनि अनि
Sometimes I see people like हुँदैन भाइ बनायो भने चाहिँ अब क्या अफेन्ड भइदिन्छ अब सानो सोचेर अब टाउको टेकेको जस्तो गर्नु खोज्दो रहेछ अब लाइक टाउको टेकेको जस्तो हुँदो रहेछ बट इट्स नट द्याट
Yeah,
कलिङ
yeah.
यु आउट अन लाइक हाँ एडी भाइ कैसे हो अब
हाँ ब्रो आई मीन जिसको
You get
समझ
what
में
I'm
आता
saying?
है
हाँ,
आता है नहीं आते नहीं आते क्या करेंगे ब्रो फक ऑन द
Yeah, man.
but it's not out of disrespect है ना
हाँ.
at the end of the day
You don't understand it, so obviously you'll get
हाँ.
like against it. If you don't understand something, you get against it.
एकदम bro.
That's a natural thing that's out there. मैंने अंदर से निकलता नहीं समझ में आया भाई नहीं समझ में आया.
नहीं समझ में आया ना
हाँ. अब हामी त अलिक भन्नै पर्यो भने यहाँको क्राउड पनि अलिक क्या त्यो छ क्या मेन्टालिटी इज आउट देयर अलिक ढिट खालको छ.
अब हामी पर्यो गोर्खाली
अँ.
हामी पर्यो नेपाली
Obviously bro,
होइन.
it's in the blood bro.
हामी
हुँदै
सबै
हुँदैन.
हामी सबै बाउको बाउ हो नि त बाप का बाप होते हैं यार क्या
बाप का
करे
बाप होते हैं भाई दादा है तुम्हारे भाई.
असल में ब्रो रियलिटी में देयर नोबडी फकिंग वी आर नोबडी इन सम केसेस है ना बट इवन एट द एन्ड अफ द डे इफ इट वाज मी राइट कोही कोही बेला हुन्छ नि त बाटोमा हिँड्दै गर्दाखेरि देयर समवन हु फकिंग पिसेस यू ऑफ फॉर नो रीजन
हाँ
उस टाइम में ब्रो तेरा कितना फट जाता है ब्रो जल जाता है ना
एकदम अब गंदा भाषा में बोलते हैं झाड़ जल जाता है. झाड़ जल जाता है.
अरे यार वही
बट ठीक है भाई अब लोग अब हम आई एम लाइक क्या अब मेरे को सब कुछ चलता है भाई.
चलता है आई थिंक
चलता है
यू
भाई.
नो नॉट एवरीबॉडी गेट्स दैट पॉइंट
हाँ
लेकिन लोग होते हैं जो आई मीन दे गेट टू अ पॉइंट और फिर होते हैं कि ओके फाइन बाले हो टाइप्स क्या
हाँ हाँ हाँ
नेपालीमा भन्नु पर्यो
बाले हो,
नि इन्हें हो जाएगा चलेगा
हो जाएगा.
है ना एंड आई फील लाइक तुम्हें क्या लगता है ब्रो दैट आई मीन टू बी अ बिट यू नो केयर फ्री
Yeah.
because that's what we tend to I mean that's what our intentions our goals are to be carefree at the end of the day I mean you know collectively
Oh,
speaking
there's Bengali out there as well. भन्नै पर्यो भने West Bengal after all. West
know.
side.
West side.
So yeah, even Bengali people have a different kind of Hindi.
ha
Yeah, they sometimes actually don't understand it, and Bengali people are also used on ego.
हाँ नहीं यार
So they get
सबका
offended.
ईगो ब्रो सबका ईगो क्या करे
अब होता है.
we're only human
Yeah, man. So Bengali people are also nice people if you get to know them, but
great people yeah
yeah, man.
Gorkhaland.
Gorkhaland, Gorkhaland.
But bro,
We want Gorkhaland.
Nepalis are the best, bro. Like I like the way of life. Like they're so carefree in that way.
But हामी as a community बेसी carefree भएर bro, we are not being able to move up in society as whole क्या
Ah.
क्योंकि किन भन त there are people
हो,
होइन छ
हुन्छ।
एक दुईजना छ who in a community होइन
making it
have
Making it big.
big पनि होइन they're doing fine in life होइन but we would love to see I would personally होइन love to see our society does not matter what caste religion creed sex whatever the fuck होइन नेपाली भन्ने नेपाली हो नि त
नेपाली हो
we want our people to I mean I want our people to grow यो कसले भन्दैन कि तर हाम्रो नेपाली कम्युनिटीमा ब्रो खुट्टा जान्ने हुन्छ even this
Yeah,
fucking video right it's not much
It's gonna
the
get
start
a
of
bit of it 100% bro.
होइन
हो
but
त।
there are gonna be people at the end of the day
सबै ठाउँमा हुन्छ bro.
who are gonna be like talking shit about because they have nothing better to do
Yeah man.
म भन्छु कि हाम्रो नेपाली मान्छेहरूको if होइन अगर if they had something better to do as a whole community there are some people I'm saying अहिले भन्दैछु कोही हुनुहुन्छ कोहीहरू एक दुईजना out of let's say hypothetically speaking 100% there's 5% of people who are I think or more होइन this statistics is just on the like right now को कुराहरू but there is a more of an influence होइन where हामीले पनि त भन्छ this it's not recorded होइन तर when we're talking we're like हामी नेपालीहरू त के हो आफ्नै मान्छेको खुट्टा जान्नु मात्रै हुन्छ that kind of shit क्या so we need to change our way of our perspective नि त हामीले कसरी हामीले एकअर्कालाई हेर्छौँ we got to change it no to bring change अस्ति भर्खर I had gone for this pageant no अस्ति
Yeah man.
Face of the
Yeah
Hills को
man. You got it big bro.
first runners up
It's still a big
but
thing,
ha
man.
that being said there was this question that I got okay which was how can you make this world a better place to live in okay and I mean I'm not perfect nobody is perfect but what my answer was to that question is how someone can make this world a perfect place to live in is by starting within आफ्नो भित्र अपना अंदर है ना घर से स्टार्ट करना है
भाई हम तो एकदम अलग आंसर देता हम तो बोल देता भाई थैनोस एकदम एक
अरे
चुटकी में उड़ा दो भाई
यार।
आधा जन को एकदम अच्छा जिंदगी बन जाएगा भाई
काश वैसा होता ब्रो
Yeah, man. Just take out the bad in the world with a flick of a finger bro. That would have been like the best case scenario but that's just hypothetical. You cannot
हाइपोथेटिकल है ना ब्रो अरे यार वही बोल रहा हूँ ना मेरा हाइपोथेटिकली तो ब्रो नीचे एक सोना का हाथी है ब्रो रूम में दो है ब्रो
हाँ भाई
लेकिन realistically speaking it's a bad world we live in and
You-
survival
it's-
of the fittest तो यार
yeah man it's like a dog eat dog kind of shit.
so
हुन्छ so okay bro नेपाली slangsहरू हुन्छ हैन
uh-huh.
bro I get that it's I don't know what you call it but you're putting an emotion into a word like हावा चल्यो फेरि दिदी what is fucking फेरि दिदी bro के हो bro like you're putting emotions into a word bro how crazy is that
I knew what it was called bro it's something शब्द okay
Yeah,
अपरिचित
yeah.
शब्द हो कि कुनै के
yeah
भन्छ
something like that yeah
if so on the comments whoever knows जसलाई पनि थाहा छ यो नेपालीमा हामीले फेरि दिदी सरर this is something we're going to be talking about now तर तपाईहरुलाई
थाहा छ
त्यो
भने
स्पेसिफिक
Specific.
वर्ड जसले डिस्क्राइब गर्छ क्या यसलाई जुन
Particular
शब्द
word.
भन्छ
Yeah.
त्यो थाहा छ भने प्लिज डु कमेन्ट below leave a comment so that we are aware and we know
yeah
what it is called to be specific GK को लागि
uh-huh.
but
तर
bro
bro how crazy is that bro
bro
like
I've met up with so many people from different cultures different languages everything now bro
Yeah, it's,
तर
it's there.
कसकोमा पनि त्यो सरर र खलर प्याच प्याच होइन
Ah, yeah. It's
China
not there.
also.
It's not there, bro. Like how? Like.
So
bro,
I believe
bro,
that makes Nepali a very beautiful language.
in that same context, like Hindi ma pani cha, like people out
हाँ.
there in like Ranchi and
हाँ.
Bihar, like they like to the extreme level put so sarcastic comments that you're gonna feel shit.
हाँ हाँ
You get what I'm saying? Like हम तुमको बितरामपुर में घुसा देंगे. What the fuck is
वित्रामपुर में घुसा देंगे
Yes.
सीधा
Yeah. बितरामपुर. You get what I'm saying?
हाँ हाँ हाँ
So भाई that is there but not to that extent. भाई फिरी के भन्छ bro?
I think हामी because Nepali is something that we have been in touch with since we were born with. It's in our blood,
Yeah.
होइन? So हामीले we feel it different,
Yeah.
but
We
at the
one
same
of-
time
Uh-huh.
there isn't any other culture which you know tries to
Emote words.
emote words or portray
Yeah,
their
man.
emotions through words in
Yeah.
such a specific way.
Yeah man.
Because Nepali बोल्नु त emotion हो नि त मामा.
Emotion है हो.
So
It's
right
an
now,
emotion,
if I talk like this, होइन, हामी अहिले यसरी बोल्यो
Yeah,
भने
we are conversing, bro.
conversing एकदम intimate feel आयो नि त अलिकति soft होइन अलिकति but at the same time अब यसरी बोलिदिए होइन हामी अब टक्कै बोल्दै ऱ्याङ फ्याङ भयो नि त अलिकति so it's an emotion Nepali as a language
Yeah, man.
है
It is, and I'm great to have it inbuilt in me. I don't know how.
of course
But-
very you know
भन्नै पर्यो भने भन्ने like to be really honest होइन म I wouldn't consider myself as a Nepali, but I would consider myself as a Nepali in person, क्या? Because I've
grown up
learned-
in that environment
grown up
नि
in
त.
that environment. Yeah.
होइन you're from
bro.
Kalimpong bro regardless of your
मलाई
ethnicity
साथीहरूलाई भनेको छ कतिजनाले लाइक ब्रो त त नेपाली हो भनेर
एकदम एकदम
हुँदैन।
regardless of your ethnicity
Yeah,
होइन
yeah.
the people like I mentioned earlier there is a population certain certain percentage of population who speak Hindi
Yeah,
who are 100% Marwadi
yeah.
but
Or Bihar.
their feel is or Bihari but their feel is Nepali.
Yeah,
That's the beauty about Kalimpong
yeah.
and
you
the
you
neighboring
like
places
get so involved in that whole
culture bro
culture of Kalimpong.
uh-huh
Like there's so much of diversity in this particular town.
region town itself
Yeah.
and apparently you know
त्यसो
uh-huh.
दार्जिलिङमा पनि अलि छ I won't deny that it's not there, but छ होइन this region has got a particular charm.
Absolutely, bro.
Yeah, man.
I mean, people say that, you know, Darjeeling is beautiful. Of course it is beautiful, bro. Sorry, excuse me.
No hate on that, but K-Town, man.
Yeah, bro, K-Town. Asti
K-Town.
Bakar had gone for a shoot in Darjeeling with regards to Lipstick Golai.
Yeah.
Okay? Add-on scenes. Okay, Glenrie's midnight shoot, whatever.
Yeah.
That was there. On the next day, we had stayed with the DOP, director of photography and person in charge of the camera, you know?
Yeah.
So he had a Airbnb. He has an Airbnb in Darjeeling. I forgot the name, but I will put it up on
Yeah.
description.
Shout
So
out,
if
shout out.
you're in Darjeeling and you're looking for a place to stay, you can check that place out. I know. And we'd stayed there. We'd gone out for breakfast. We were walking through backside Darjeeling ko, na. Bro, that day Kanchenjunga was looking. I hadn't seen Kanchenjunga in that fucking persona for a while.
Uh-huh. I
You know
get
what?
what you're saying, man.
I reached
You just-
Sandakpur, होइन सन्दकपू पुगेँ म
Uh-huh.
तर मैले माउन्टेनै देखेन मामा
Uh-huh.
कालिम्पोङबाट माउन्टेनै देखेको थिएन I went to Darjeeling. I didn't have that in the back of my head कि म माउन्टेन हेर्छु
Yeah, it's like surreal.
Uh-huh.
You don't feel like it's happening to you, but it's happening to you.
It's-
and
it is
it's an
happening.
experience, man.
Absolutely.
Like I said, you're a trip, man. Like that's also an experience, man.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you got to experience it. If you're in like any part of India, why come to Kalimpong?
Come to Kalimpong, man.
Cape Town, baby.
Kalimpong is more than Darjeeling. It's more than the neighboring places. I shit you
The
not.
food
We
is-
shit you not.
Yeah, we should.
Kalimpong has better places that we can explore, that we can visit. I mean, yes, no denying that there are absolutely amazing places in and around Darjeeling, Sikkim. But since I am from Kalimpong, we are from Kalimpong, we are 100% gonna promote Kalimpong, right? And this is us promoting Kalimpong. Kalimpong has its beauty.
It's got its
Kalimpong
own charm.
has its own charm. It's got its own vibe, whatever you want to call it. But Kalimpong is Kalimpong. So in the future, if you want to, experience that, you can contact me because I do have somewhat of a project that I'm working on, which
Shout
is
out
gonna,
Eddie.
which is gonna go live very soon. It's gonna be, accommodation for travelers, for people from all over the world, and everybody is welcome here. So if you're somebody who is looking for a place to just relax, or
Be
want
close to nature.
be
It's a-
close to nature, just come for a workation, whatever. There is a place available. Please do contact me, and through Instagram, whatever is available.
Yeah, man.
And this is us right now. This is a team, and that's our guest. Mr. X and I are a team. Oh, and he had requested us, हामीलाई X भन्नु ल अरे नि त, because he doesn't want to get use his real name, it seems.
Yeah,
So
uh-huh.
it's
Chal.
but anyhow, this is I believe the end to this episode. And there were a lot निकै नै technical issues भयो. And एक दुईवटा निकै होइन, एक
It's
दुईवटा.
our first time, bro. Don't hate on us.
Don't hate on us, but yeah, at the end of the day, this is us doing it. So whoever's second guessing us right out there, well, we're the ones who are doing it. So suck it up, bitch.
Yeah. And shout out to people who like are looking out for us.
Yeah, man, shout out. And once again, today is the 14th of February.
Yeah.
For couples, it is Valentine's Day.
Uh-huh.
And couples ko lagi ekdamai Valentine's Day. And happy Valentine's Day to you. It's beautiful to be in love. It's beautiful to be
In
with
a
someone,
relationship.
with someone who understands you, who feels you. That's why we are in a relationship, But for the people who aren't really in relations or who are far away from the people, we celebrate Valentine's Day. And that is because, once again, neither of us are getting any V or the D. So happy Valentine's Day. And big shout out to Izuda, Lida,
Yeah,
Big
man.
Dog.
Big dog.
Let's go. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video up till now. Please do support us. हामीलाई support गर्नुहोस्.
Yeah, man.
And this is
Country
a
boy.
journey. This is the start.
Uh-huh.
And we're gonna get somewhere. So please do follow us for
More content.
the journey, for the content. We've got a number of plans for the near future, and I will be personally delivering those contents to you. म तपाईहरुको लागि contents लिएर आउने छु अनि तपाईहरुलाई entertain गर्नेछु. At the same time, this is something that मैले मेरो आफ्नो personal growth को लागि पनि गरेको हो. So that is something that I'm going to keep in mind. But for the rest of you, please do keep on supporting me, following me and my team throughout our journey as the country boy. And this particular session is a Baskarima. So please do follow us for more. Keep in touch. Thank you so much.
Compliments to you, bro. I've got nothing to say, bro. You're a fucking trip.